falling. Oh, what are we to do? I felt it on top of my chicken little head, so I know it is true.
You felt it on top of your chicken little head? Well, cock-a-doodle-doo. You better put some ice on it or you'll turn black and blue.
You think you have problems, dear, before we hear you squawk. I have a son whose name is Jack, and he's climbing a beanstalk.
I was on my way to grandmother's house when I met a big bad wolf.
He also came to our house and blew away the roof.
All we were doing was crossing a bridge, out for a little stroll.
And what do you think would ruin our day?
That nasty little troll.
You think you people had it bad? You should have lived my hour. It's hard to keep your hair in shape when you're stuck up in a tower.
Think of me, I've lived in a shoe. I have so many children, I don't know what to do.
Hey, diddle diddle, I'm the cat with a fiddle, and my cow jumped over the moon. My little dog laughed to see such a sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon.
And I'm Cinderella, with the saddest tale of all. All I really wanted was to go to the ball.
We're singing the same song, sister. I'm a sleeping beauty that's blue. My mind is in a twister. I don't know what to do.
Yesterday was awful, but today is even worse.
Someone call a doctor.
Someone get a nurse.
This is the worst day I can remember, the worst day I ever had. From February to November, I have never felt so bad. This is the worst day I can remember, 'cause everything has gone wrong. From January to December, it's the worst day all day long. Everything is awful, everything is blue, everything is crummy, and I don't know what to do. Life is really lousy, and I don't mean to complain, but sunny days are cloudy. Every Saturday it rains. This is the worst day I can remember, the worst day I ever had. From February to November, I have never felt so bad. This is the worst day I can remember, 'cause everything has gone wrong. From January to December, oh, it's as terrible as I remember. My day just hasn't really been a gem, sir. It's the worst day all day long.
Here I was, little Miss Muffet, sitting on a tuffet, eating my curds and whey, when along came a spider and sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Boo!
The sky is falling! The sky is falling!
We've already heard that verse.
But things are not much better. In fact, they're getting worse.
I'm Humpty Dumpty here on this wall. I'm Humpty Dumpty, I've had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put me together again.
I'm Little Bo Peep. I've lost my sheep, and I don't know where to find them.
I'm Little Boy Blue, blowing my horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn.
Wow, every time there's another verse, everything just keeps getting worse.
Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old.
Who's that?
That's Mother Goose, the most cheerful bird in the land. She cooks up all of our favorite meals and leaves us feeling grand.
Let's see now. Jack Sprat can eat no fat, his wife can eat no lean, and yet between them both they lick the platter clean. Isn't that amazing?
Hey, diddle diddle, I'm the cat with a fiddle, and my cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sight, and the dish ran away with the spoon.
And my son went up a beanstalk.
I got locked in a tower.
A wolf blew our house down.
And I can't go to the ball.
I've lost my sheep.
People, I'm falling apart here.
My, you do have problems. I feel so sorry for you.
Is there some way you can help us?
Is there something you can do?
Now hold on, everyone, and just let me see. I think I might just have the perfect recipe.
Give me a cup of love and friendliness. Throw in a little bit of tenderness. Stir it around with lots of happiness, 'cause that's the recipe for joy.
Give it a pinch of glee and lots of sun. Plenty of harmony for everyone. All of us will agree to share the fun, 'cause that's the recipe for joy. We all have the makings of joy in our hearts. Just find the right ingredients right from the very start. If you've got hurt feelings from something you were called, just check your list of ingredients and take it with a grain of salt. Give it a pinch of glee and lots of sun. Plenty of harmony for everyone. All of us will agree to share the fun, 'cause that's the recipe. We'll tell ya that's the recipe. Believe us, that's the recipe for joy, joy, joy.
This is the best lemonade that I've ever sipped.
My tummy is full and my palate has flipped.
Every single slurp was oh so perfectly done. Oh, Mother Goose.
You're our number one.
Sharing a glass of lemonade is nice, I do suppose.
But how will drinking lemonade help us with our woes? It isn't magic lemonade, just something nice to share, and a refreshing way for me to show you that I care. For this, we all are filling up with loads of gratitude.
It certainly has helped me with my naughty attitude.
It doesn't take a grand event to turn something around.
It might just take a word or two, or just a friendly sound.
It doesn't take a lightning bolt to fire a little spark. It doesn't take a magic lamp to peer into the dark.
always as they seem when you first give them a glance.
We should take another look. Give things a second chance.
Exactly.
Hey, diddle diddle, I'm the cat with the fiddle. My cow jumped over the moon. She got a great view of our beautiful earth. I think I will join her there soon.
Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her. She made a new friend today.
Jack came back with a magic goose who laid golden eggs wherever she went.
All my children will take care of me in my retirement.
I caught up on all my reading when I got stuck in a tower.
We made friends with that cute little troll. Now we pay him by the hour.
You see, there is always a sunny side, even when things look bad.
You can't go around feeling sorry. You can't go around feeling sad.
When someone gives you trouble, the best that you can do
Is try to treat them with respect. They might respect you too.
When days are bad, we'll think about all the friends we've made.
And when life hands us lemons,
We all make lemonade.